next thing then?
In Monaco.
2564 XD37. Name a cafe on left at junction.
Slide right onto Place Teodoro de Banville, then you will arrive at your destination.
We're now cafe on left. This is the junction to D37.
This way, D37, this way,
Yep.
turning right?
De La Fontaine. Restaurant Cafe De La Fontaine.
Is that where you've got anything?
Yep.
Take the next right onto
What
Avenue
one?
des Anciens Combattants down, then turn right onto Avenue de la Victoire.
You can go back round again if you want to see it. Yeah.
Okay, is that stop finished?
That's
Take the
stop
next
fast.
right onto Avenue de la Victoire, D2564, then slide right onto Place Teodoro de Banville.
Flag on. Get the flag on.
No, we'll stop a wee bit further down for the flag.
We'll stop further down, tell him. Hey, right,
We'll stop a wee bit further down, Jim.
remove next stop.
Head west on Avenue des Anciens Combattants down towards Avenue de la Victoire, D2564, then turn left onto Avenue de la Victoire.
You want to turn later at the moment.
Left for that, Tim.
I won't want to go back up and
Take
double
the
check
next
anyway,
left
I
onto Avenue
La
de la
Fontaine, you
Victoire,
think that's what it
D2564.
was.
Right, let's go and check.
Just go straight back, then it turned to your right.
Continue on
Junction
D2564 for 1
D37,
kilometre.
Cafe on the left. So if you slow down here, we've got Terminat, keep going,
Hey, I'm just jumping.
Chez Lino, Cafe de la Fontaine. Yeah?
Cafe de la Fontaine, yeah.
Right,
Is that in
okay.
the answers?
That's the answers.
Right, 18 minutes from Monte Carlo.